na naman ang aking kapangluan. Mga luha sa mata ay hindi na mapigilan. Tulad ng isa, nakatingin sa kawalan. Kadiliman ng paligid ko'y hindi na namalayan. Sa paglubog ni Haring Araw, liwanag mo ang aking ilaw.
Sa aming naging travel sa Vietnam, marami ang magagandang alaala na nagawa. At lahat ng to ay daladala na namin hanggang pagtanda.
Sa malungkot na gabi, di walang magkatabi. Umaasang ako'y may makakita.
Pero kung merong isa sa amin na hindi talaga makakalimot, masasabi ko isa dito si Pau Pau.
Matamis na halik, hindi
Also, you can try roller coaster. Roller coaster over there. But now, not yet now. Now we have to go to lunch. After lunch, I'm gonna take you go to the Golden Bridge.
Oy, Pop Mart!
Late.
mo ang aking ilaw. O sinag mo luna ang aking medicine.
Wow, it's cold.
Sa malungkot na kagabi,
I think I know in our trip the 5 day and 4 night, right? It's not too long. It's not too short, but that's enough. Let me remember all of you. When you come to Vietnam, you as a traveler. When you leave to Vietnam as a friend. And the next time, when you come back here as a family member of me. Okay? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my family. And
Thank you.
okay, thank you so much.
Love you, Tommy. Love you, Tommy. We miss you.
I will miss you, Tommy! I will miss you, Tommy!
Sobrang saya sa trip na to. Pero minsan, may mga bagay talaga na pinagtatagpo pero hindi tinadhana.
alam mo bang palaisipan pa rin sa akin ang mga kaganapan na nangyari sa ating dalawa. Hindi maikumpara sa'yo mga kasama kasi
Nagsimula ang lahat.
parang ayaw ng
Kasi yan.
Dito sa boundary ito. Nagkatalikuran ng dalawa para pang hindi nakikita ang isa't isa. Pero ramdam nila na naandyan. Kunwari, hindi nila nakikita ang isa't isa. Pero naisip nila.
Ang mga puso nila ay nag-uusap nang hindi nila nalalaman.
Istorya na pala.
Sino kaya ang magpa-first move?
Uy!
Alam ko parehas sila nahihiya. Siguro sinusulat na ni Tommy sa cellphone niya kung anong mga gagawin niya
Tina-translate.
at mga sasabihin. Pau Pau? You beautiful, Tommy. Ayun na. Siguro nagkano na. Ay, uy, buting malapit na version yung kay Junin.
Ayan ang isa mo!
Talagang maraming fans ngayon ng Tom Pao. Mahulog ka! Natalo na siya!
Grabe!
Sila nagtama-tama pero sa loob na sasaktan.
Alam nyo ba kung anong ibig sabihin, bro? Alam nyo ba kung anong meaning nung pagpunta ni Tommy dun sa may kanto?
Delikado yun eh.
Ready na siyang ma-fall.
Ready
Oy!
na siyang ma-fall.
Ready na ako, guys.
Tommy, how is cold?
Someone is, oh!
Medyo kami ah.
Shy.
No, I'm not.
Wow!
Hug mo nga daw, hug daw.
Nag-usap na sila, bro!
Oy!
Nag-usap na sila.
Ay, isa pa!
Siguro, ano bro, naghahanap lang din pala siya ng isang JJ sa buhay niya, katulad ni Kakoy. Kaya nga, same lang pala sila.
Pala ang ano. Nasa Vietnam pa lang. Forever.
Uy! Uy! Grabe!
Extend daw po 1 week si Pao.
Ato yun.
Jack, may parating! May parating!
May parating! May pagsubok agad sa relasyon nila.
May pagsubok agad.
Ay, grabe.
Ay! Nako!
Nakangiti lang yan pero...
Sa loob niya nasasaktan siya.
Uy, dinaanan! Oh my God!
Dadaanan ko lang siya.
Kahit pa sila. Uy, grabe, sakit.
Grabe. Ang sakit naman nun bro.
Tawa na!
Di pa 8 minutes.
Kaya nga.
Ang love story ng Tom Pao dito sa Vietnam.
Uy, grabe may basbas di Kalinga Prab.
May basbas! Nako!
Tompa. May bagay. Grabe naman, may pangbabantana dito. May pangbabantana po.
Anong ibig sabihin, bro? Ba't kinakausap mo yung
Gina G. Gina G.
Kinilig si Pao! Anong si Edwin? Malayo ka
Kilig
pa.
ako.
Sa buhay, minsan makaramdam ka ng sakit. Wag mo lang kakalimutan na may mga kaibigan na nandito para sa'yo na tutulungan ka.
Naiiyak na.
Naluluha ka. Yung mga luha niya, itinatago niya na sa malamig.
Kaibigan yung
Naging close na kayo ni Tommy ng
Kaya nga.
Diyan ko na ako. We're just like brothers.
Ang pala, sa huli, tatraidorin ka lang niya. Saktan po guys, si Lolo. And ako ay nakikiramay sa kanyang nararamdaman. Isang puso na naman guys ang nawasak. Dito pa talaga guys, sa mataas na lugar nangyari ito lahat. Masabi ko lang, bro, bantayan niyo si Lolo bro ha. Bantayan niyo si Lolo, nasa mataas na lugar tayo. Hindi ko sigurado kung anong magagawa nito ni Lolo at
Iyan ba tayo si Lolo?
bantayan si Lolo guys. Lolo is in danger. Ayan, punta sila dyan guys. Ito si Lolo. Ang sakit ng nararamdaman niya.
I think I know in our trip the 5 day and 4 night, right? It's not too long, it's not too short, but that's enough. Let me remember all of you. Yes. So I think during the trip we have any problem, but we have traveler over here. We experience something over here. We just forgot it, and we just keep the nice memory. Okay lah? Okay lah? So I have the I think like this one. When you come to Vietnam, you as a traveler. When you leave to Vietnam as a friend. And the next time, when you come back here as a family member of me. Okay? It's not only Da Nang City. Not only Da Nang City. Like the next time you have come back here, you go to the Sapa, Ha Long Bay, or Ho Chi Minh City. You just contact to Miss Mitch or Tommy. Okay, ha? I have a lot of friends over there, and if possible, if you come back here and go to that city, I will fly to there take care of you. Yes, and so that's why when you fly back to Philippines, continue with your working. So I wanna wish all the best to you. More and more surprise, more and more views. Okay,
Thank you.
okay. So I would like to thank you and thank you so much for all of you. So for support to me in the Friday and fortnight. And I hope next time when we meet again, we is not friends, we are family. Okay lah? Okay. Also, next time when I go to the Philippines, I want to call all of you. and also you will be the tour guide. Okay, huh? And tell me a tourist and I can ask some question like I can buy something with cheap price. Right? Okay, so if possible, see you next time.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my family. And
Thank you.
okay, thank you so much.
Love you, Tommy.
Love you, Tommy. We miss you,
I will miss you, Tommy!
Final message.
I'll be crying.
What's your message?
Me too, yes, you know, actually, I have a lot of group in this time. But when my operator, she says, you have the group from meet. Okay, so I have to cancel another tour to take care. Yeah, I know because, you know, another group we go with meet over here. Very cute, very nice, everything, right? The last group I have been here during June or July, I think so. Also around 12, 13, right? Yes, you know, the Vietnamese, we really like the Filipino. It's not only Tommy, every city over here, from the north to the south. If you don't trust, you can ask the local people over here, what kind of tourist you like. I said Philippines. Yes, make sure that that's because you know why. Da Nang City and Philippines is same. Why same? Because we have a lot of typhoon will come here, right? And so that's why when typhoon come here, have many problem, and we can understood with the Filipino. And so that's why it's not only Da Nang, Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City also, they really welcome you.
Thank you.
Yeah, and so that's the reason I want to thank you and thank you so much, my family. Yeah.
Mabuhay, Tommy!
Mabuhay. Salamat, ha? Salamat. Yes. Also, when you do you have my Facebook? Not yet, right? Okay, wait.
First pound.
Pao, Facebook daw, Pao. Grabe, ang galing ni Tommy, nice technique.
Ilahat, no?
Grabe. Tommy, lahat, isa lang naman i-accept. Tommy, ginagamit ko kami. Isa lang i-accept niyan. Isa lang i-accept. Ay, ang haba ng hair, oh.
Sayang!
Kuya code here. This is my Facebook. The Kuya code, ha?
Ang galing. Nice.
Yeah, the
Calling card.
You just scan it, and you can look the avatar is Pogi one. It's me. Okay, the Kuya code you just scan the avatar. And if you miss Tommy, you just come direct to me.
Wow!
Also,
Message.
yeah. Also, when you come back Vietnam again, you just contact with Mitch. She gonna give for you the nice cost. Okay, huh?
Relationship. Still negotiable. Negotiable.
Huh?
Tommy,
Huh?
what's your message to
How
Pao?
about the love story?
Message to Pao. Last.
No, just a relationship, but didn't get in, right? Didn't marry. Yeah, I think in the future, yeah,
Sabi ko sa'yo, negotiable pa eh.
maybe I want to stay at the Philippines more than Vietnamese. Huh? Why not? Right? Yeah, why not?
Tommy, brother-in-law. Your brother-in-law.
I know. And I can get the
The house.
How are you, Lolo?
Tita Enna. Mama. I think next time I will go to the Philippines. Mama,
Papa Val.
Bye bye. Two it up. And I think next time when I go to Philippines, I can get a house from him, right? Yeah. Why not? Yes. He's thinking.
He's stressed.
He's straight. Because Tommy. Okay. So I'm gonna follow you. I love all of you in your channel.
Thank you.
Yes. So yeah.
Watch our vlog.
Me?
Watch our vlog.
The vlog. Yeah, the vlog. I watched some video already. Like Mike Baba. Yeah. So I watched. I look in the Tommy talk something on the was he record everything. And so I'm gonna follow you. Okay lah, huh? Okay, thank you so much. Also, I gonna show with my friend. Recommend for my friend. About the Philippine life in the Filipino life. Okay lah. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, salamat. And from here to the airport, just only 2 minutes only. And now this time, for you double check everything on the bus. I saw some jacket over here. This belong to you. Okay, huh? Double check.
Alright, ayan guys. Palakpakan natin ulit si Tommy. Let's give a clap for Tommy. Okay, ayan. So, I hope guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Yes! So, di ba? Sulit natin ang araw natin. Alright, so, I want to say thank you from our company, Calamir Travel and Adventures. So, we are very happy na kayo ay happy sa aming naging service sa inyong tour. Yun, I hope meron pa tayong mga susunod na tour. Anong next tour? Anong next tour?
New Zealand.
At surprise. Okay, surprise. US? Okay. Kaya guys, so marami pang mga adventure na pwede namin i-share sa inyo, ipakita dito sa Vietnam. So nabanggit nga ni Tommy, meron pang Sapa, Hanoi, Halong Bay, and we have other countries to explore. Ayun, so ito pang panibagong simula ulit ng mga adventures nyo. Anyway, so I just want to put important reminder sa ating departure. So double check all your things. Everyone must have your passport. Kasi pagdating natin sa airport, check nyo po lahat ng mga maleta na ibababa nyo dito sa bus. Okay? Make sure na yung may 7 kilo, may 20 kilo is hawak nyo po yung inyong mga baggage. Okay? Then, when we go inside the airport, so we will go to our check-in counter, Cebu Pacific. Okay? Ang counter po natin is counter 35. Okay? After natin mag-check-in, make sure na yung mga bagahe nyo is hindi siya mag-exceed ng baggage. Hindi natin alam kung gaano kahigpit ang counter ngayon ng Cebu Pacific, but we hope hindi ganun kahigpit. Para kahit onti lang naman yung lagpas sa inyong mga baggages, okay lang.